We've got $100 and one weekend to make over our hall closet, and boy does it ever need it. It's completely chaotic, it's overstuffed, and it needs some serious organization. And a coat of paint wouldn't hurt either. The thing you're gonna love about this project is that everything is available at your local hardware store, so it's gonna be super simple and something you can definitely do for yourselves. All you need is paint, shelves, a new bracket if you want one, and perhaps some hooks if you have a little one that needs to be able to reach down below. Otherwise, this is a matter of just sorting and maybe getting rid of a few things and organizing what you've got. Let's get started. While the paint is busy drying, I've got some serious sorting to do. This is the key way to make the most out of your mudroom slash hall closet is you need to sort things. So I realized pretty quickly that first of all, my son, who's now 13, has shoes just as big as his dad. So it's really gonna be tough to fit everything in there. I needed to sort. I needed to take out the things that everybody, let's say like the Christmas hat, probably not gonna need this all year long. Go into the basement. Flip-flops. There were lots of pairs of flip-flops. Sort through what you've got. Donate what you're not going to use. Throw a few of them out that are not even salvageable. And go ahead and sort through what everyone needs every day, and then think about putting some of those in their closets in their rooms. All right, let's get sorted. Got a lot of work to do. We're installing a couple hooks for the little guy to be able to hang up his own jacket and his bag. Plus, we've organized all the scarves, gloves, umbrellas, and all those extra things, and only kept what we really need and put them into baskets. 2 coats of Hematite by Bear, and wow, what a difference. I mean, oh, can you get over it? Who would have thought a closet could be this exciting? With a few shelves now in place and a new hanging bar, I'm ready to get this thing filled up and get it into use. One of the things that I love to do to make a closet feel extra organized is to make sure that all of the hangers match. I've learned over the years that my husband is not the most organized person, but if I give him a system that works for him, he'll use it over and over again. So his shoes are gonna go on the top where he can see them and grab them and go. And anyways, the little ones are closer to the ground, so it's easier for them to grab their shoes from below anyways. Hey buddy, how do you like the new closet?
I like it.
Yeah, do you see that I put some hooks up that are just for you?
Yeah.
They're right at your level. So we tested them.
This one's like at my ribs.
I know.
This one's like at where my hand is over.
I know. Well, you know what I did? Well, remember we tested them to make sure we got them just the right height. Do you want to test it out, make sure we did okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should have measured twice. I don't know. Let's see. Is it going to work on that hook? Try this one first for your bag. There, yeah, it does work. Okay, and here's your jacket. So you can get your jacket up there on that hook for you. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Up top. Awesome. Good job. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We hope you will subscribe. We love being able to stay in touch with you, and we want you to be able to know when new videos are coming out. We expect 2018 to be full of all kinds of new projects. We would love to hear from you, what you have going on this year. What are you going to be working on? Do you have a small project like today's where it's just a quick fix, or do you have massive renovations on the horizon? We have a little bit of everything coming this year, and we're so excited to be able to share it with you. Be sure to visit us at houseofvalentina.com. There's also an area there where you can subscribe by email. We don't use your email for anything except just to let you know we've got a new blog post going up or maybe a new video. So thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you soon. Bye.